Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got another interesting beard oil to take a look at today. Today's offering is from the Soap Exchange. This one's a weird one, so stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, man, check out down below in that corner. I believe that's where it's going to be located. You're going to see a small channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing and just nail subscribe. Get it out the way early and you will feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alrighty guys, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Soap Exchange, or the... Hey, that was cool. Or TSE's Blood Orange Blood Oil. Jeez. Beard oil. God, I need sleep. Sorry, it's been a long night. All my fault. Self-inflicted, but still. Carrying on. Alright, I totally ran into this by mistake, surfing through Amazon looking at beard oils. And I thought to myself, Blood Orange, okay, well, I haven't done a lot of citrusy type stuff. I like blood orange Skittles. I like the way blood orange tastes and smells, so why not? Let's see about the beard oil. Alright, now their web address is thesoapexchange.com. They are made in the USA out of Fort Worth, Texas, and they've been around since about 2003. And I love how on their About Us section they have to, list they're located about 2 blocks from Fort Worth's Botanical Garden. They are very proud to say they have all natural ingredients, they are artificial and toxin free. Now, they basically came into existence to share natural handcrafted soap in a world that was overflowing in poor quality commercial soap. That's what just makes me go, okay, so how did you transition into beard oil? Other than it's becoming very, very popular and you guys wanted to cash in on it. What's really weird is when I bought this, they had like 16 other scents that were available. Now I can't find this on their homepage or on Amazon. When I go through everything, it's just not listed. Part of me thinks I understand why, but I'll get to that in a moment. As you see, it comes in like a 2-ounce little plastic bottle. And here's the one part that I really don't like. I know some people love these things, but I hate beard oils with those little toppers. Sometimes I have a real hard time getting the oil out. Sometimes it just flows out like that Blades Grim one that I brought to the channel. Now, speaking of that, look up top. All right, somewhere I'm going to leave a card here that's going to show you every single beard oil that we have ever taken a look at or beard care product. It'll be sitting in there. The only one like this that I've seen that was worth a damn was by the Mountaineer Company, in the little plastic bottle with that topper. This one seems to flow out pretty good, and I can get a good, good amount out. It's got a very light to medium scent strength, and yeah, it smells like oranges. I mean, honestly, yeah, I just get a real big old blast of orange, when I smell it. But it goes away quick. It goes away very, very quick. I think I lost the scent in maybe 45 minutes to an hour. I mean, I didn't truly expect much because I really never heard of the Soap Exchange before, but I figured it was worth a look, They list the ingredients as jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, shea oil, and fragrances. All right, it's a really, really light oil. I mean, can you see that bouncing in there? It's almost like it's a watery substance in there. It's really, really light. Okay. Normally their oils on the Soap Exchange run you about $15.99. When I bought this one on Amazon, it was $11.99 and had like a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. Which is really weird because people either really loved it or really freaking hated it. I'm on the, I got it. When it runs out, I'll probably never re-up on it. Or this may be something I give to the monkey because he likes putting beard oil through his hair because he likes how it makes him smell. So I'm probably going to end up giving this to him so he has, you know, his starter kit, as he likes to call it. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, there's the label, and trust me, the way they have that on the back with the shiny stuff, I just don't know if the sticker got moved or whatever, but some parts were a real pain in the tail to read. There's, better look at the front. Yep. But I want to know what you guys think. You know, I want to know questions, comments, love, hatred, any of that. Especially if you've used the Soap Exchange before. I mean, can you tell me your experiences with them? Because I am very underwhelmed by this oil. If this was their flagship, I would not go back and buy again because it just... I don't know how to describe it other than a huge freaking disappointment. You know, but just with everything in life, you learn more from failure than you do in successes. All right? So, yeah. Wow, lost my train of thought. Anywho, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for checking into this video and taking a look at it. I know there are a lot of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered that you chose one of mine. For you longtime guys, man, thanks for hanging on with the ride. You know, we're growing, as you see, and having a lot of fun. Now, but for everyone who hasn't done it yet, look down there in that corner, okay? That corner, I believe. Or that one, or that one, or that one. I'm not even really sure where I'm going to put it today. It's going to be a bigger channel logo, all right? Go ahead and click on that thing. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you subscribe, please go ahead and nail the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that my stupid ass uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up probably on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. A beard oil that I was severely underwhelmed by. The Soap Exchange Blood Orange Beard Oil. Thanks for checking this one out, and hope you have a great day.